All right, boys and girls, starting out in math today, we're going to do another one of the group word problems that we have been working on. So listen closely. This is for the guest teacher as well, but I'm spelling out the expectations here for you. Firstly, this is a group activity. The way that we should do these problems and the way that we should work together is spelled out on the whiteboard at the front of the room. First, you read and discuss the problem and figure out a strategy. Then everybody follows through on that strategy independently, meaning that everybody needs to do it on their own. One or two people aren't going to do this problem and have everybody else agree with them. Like we talked about yesterday, you don't catch errors that way. Number 3, you're going to compare both the answers that you got and the work that you got and see if everybody got about the same answer. 4, you're all going to talk about what you did and make sure that you have a nice, clean, clear solution that you can share with the rest of the class. And then 5, you're going to present that solution. So let's go ahead and start reading this problem. This is called the winning ticket, and this is kind of a real problem. This is something lottery winners have to deal with. So here's how it goes. Last night, on my way home from school, I stopped at the store to buy a lottery ticket. Although I usually do not do this sort of thing, it had been a great day, so I thought I would try my luck. Well, lucky I was. I won. The only problem was I had to pick between two prizes. A, $1,000 all at once, so that's one. Or B, $2 on the first day, $4 on the second day, $8 on the third day, $16 on the fourth day, and so on for 10 days in a row. Which prize do you think I should choose? How did you make your decision? And can you prove to me that your choice is the best choice? P.S. If your solution is clear enough, maybe I will share my good fortune with you in the form of the prize box. That depends on how well your group works together, though. So what I'm going to ask you to do here is to pause in just a moment as soon as I say to pause and start working on discussing what type of problem this is. If you'd like to go back and hear me read it again, you can do that as well. But mainly, I just want to make sure that you talk with your group and get a good idea about what it is that you need to do on this. Yesterday, we worked on a table. I might suggest doing that same thing today. But it's up to you. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. Do you need different manipulatives? Do you just need markers? And by the way, guest teacher, we can use permanent markers on these desks. We just need to have Clorox wipes to wipe them up with. We're pretty good with that. As you'll notice, the desks are all really clean. So go ahead and pause now, and I'll show you the answer in just a moment. All right, so now we are ready to look at the answer to this. So part A, we know, starts us out with $1,000. So what we're looking for is an answer that will get us a number greater than 1,000, if that's actually something that can happen. So let's look at part B. It says the first day is going to be $2. That's what we start out with. So here's what I'm thinking. I need to be able to keep track of my days. So let's see what we get to. Again, I'm just going to kind of draw a box here. I'm going to split this box down the middle since there's just two things we're counting by. We're counting by the day and then the amount of money that we have. So we'll do that, right? So day 1 says we get $2. And I'm going to get a little bit more exciting color than black. Let's go with pink. Day 2, we have $4. Day 3 says we have $8. 2, 4, 8. See, 4 is double 2, 8 is double 4. It looks like we're doubling here. And so we need to go to day 10. Is that right? So let's see. 4. What's double 16? Well, one way if I forget, I remember, it's 16. There we go. Okay. Day 5. Now it's a little bit tricky. So I might go over here to the side and say, okay, what's 16 plus 16? Well, let's see. That a little bit better. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. So I regroup my 1, and I like to keep mine on the line just so I can keep track. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 32. Okay, cool. Day 5 is 32. Now I'm here and I'm halfway. I feel like changing up my color again. Let's see. We'll do yellow. And I'm also going to clear up this work over here so I can keep it clean. Oh, and it's so much better. There we go. It's a little bit better. Sorry if the tapping is really loud on this. I'm just trying to keep everything nice and clean for you guys. Okay, so day 6. Whoa, too big. Oh my gosh. You guys are part of my struggles. This is what I deal with when I do sub-plans. All right, so now we have still the same thing. Gosh, what is wrong with me? Gotta change the size of it. Here we go. I should put this in a really small one. There we go. And now we can do pencil again. Okay, day 6. So again, if I double 32 and 32, I know 2 plus 2 is 4, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is going to be 64. Hey, Nintendo 64. 7. 64 plus 64. Oh my gosh, I'm going to go up here this time. 64 plus 64 is 8. And we just said 6 plus 6 is 12, so that's 128. 1, 2, 8. Okay. Next day, day 8. We have 128 plus 128. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. We regroup our 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 256. 2, 5, 6. Day 9. Goodness, well, 256 plus 256. I think I'll just add it right here. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 512. 5, 1, 2. So the last thing I need to add here is $512. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. Huh. And this is on the 10th day. So 10 days equals $1,024. So now we get to compare. We had day 1, option A, which is where we get $1,000. We had day B, or option B, which is where we have $1,024. So it seems like our answer is pretty clear. For this problem, our answer is we would definitely want to choose day B. We get an extra 24 bucks. Nice. We can go to the movie with that. Hopefully you guys got the same answer, but if you didn't, I hope that you're able to see what you did wrong. Were you able to talk with your group? Were you able to show this in an interesting and useful way? And did you have fun doing it? So, once we're done with this problem, go ahead, put your things up, put all your materials up, and we'll play the next video, which is very, very quick, and it shows you how to play the game I'd like you guys to play. So, thanks for playing. Any winning teams, by the way, if you had all your work done, you talked really well, and you got everything together, I think it's probably safe to let those members draw from the prize box. Thank you.